What are the pros and cons of using Python versus Java? Python is one of the best languages, easy to learn because of its readability. And it's also a free, open-source programming language. It is a perfect choice for backend programming and the development of the application. Pros. 1. Python language supports a range of frameworks and platforms. 2. Using the object-oriented programming features, we can create and use classes and objects. 3. Extended funding for library. 4. In this, you can scale complex applications without too much trouble. Cons. 1. It's not good/ideal for mobile computing. 2. It's slower to be an encoded programming language. 3. Threading is not good because of the global interpreter lock, GIL. 4. The reference layer to the Python database is slightly immature. Usage/application is primarily used for web development, scientific applications, business applications, desktop GUIs, etc. My favorite free website for Python and different courses. Java is a programming language that is intended for the creation of web applications. It is one of the good options in large organizations. And because of its stability, major corporations are using it. It's not that hard to learn Java, and it's a really common language. Pros. 1. There is a wide range of open-source libraries in Java. 2. There are automated memory allocation and garbage collection in the Java language. 3. Supports the paradigm of OOPs. 4. It is stable and supports multi-threading. Cons. 1. Memory storage is costly in Java. 2. The lack of models constraints on the development of high-quality data structures. 3. It's slower than other programming languages like C and C++. Usage/application. Java is primarily used for creating Android, web and big data apps.